What's up guys, iAppleTuber here, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and talk about CotoMovies' response back to the community. So in the previous videos I have spoken about CotoMovies being taken down and the reasoning behind it. If you do not still know, I'll leave in the description the full link to the video so you can watch what really happened. But in today's video it's mostly about the response and the user safety. Let's get started. So as you can see in the screen right now, here's what CotoMovies developer had to tell us. So let me read it for you. It says, I want to express my sincere regret to the owners of the motion pictures Hellboy and Angel Has Fallen, as well as all rights holders for inducing and contributing to copyright infringements by my operation of the app CotoMovies. From the stressful legal experience, I have learned to appreciate damages such as CotoMovies to those who invest their time, effort, and money to create motion pictures. I now plan to fully respect intellectual property laws and strongly urge those who use my app to use legal apps to watch movies. To this end, I have agreed to transfer those to counsel for the right holders, user data, and communication under my permission and control so that they can enforce their valuable intellectual property. You might not understand what they're trying to say at the ending of it. I have agreed to transfer to counsel for the rights holders user data. So what does that mean? With that response right now, we have a lot of articles and news again covering CotoMovies. So it's trending, spreading all around. What do they mean by giving the user data? So basically in this article which I found, basically tells you that what they mean by the data is they're going to give Hellboy everyone's user data who used to watch the movie Hellboy and Angel Has Fallen. So that is actually very scary for a lot of people. So if you did not use a VPN to watch these movies with CotoMovies, there is a chance your data could be spread around, which is very bad in my opinion. But do I really think it's gonna affect you? No, because CotoMovies had over 100% had over 1 million users. So for them to pinpoint and find each and every person is basically impossible. So do not worry, but from now on, this should be a warning for you guys to start using a VPN when you're using these apps on your iPhone. It just gets you safe. So also this article does mention that CotoMovies could be sued by the company of Hellboy since they still want to take this to court. As I mentioned in my previous video as well, they still want to take this to court, and even though CotoMovies is completely done and gone, they still want to take legal action. So as you can see, it says the co-president of Millennium Media is saying that they're actually happy with the progress they're taking after CotoMovies. So that could also mean that they're gonna start targeting other movie apps. So this could also potentially be the end of movie apps. So yes guys, that was it with today's video. It's just a news video for you all today, no tutorial. I just wanted to tell you about this response from CotoMovies and the response from the Hellboy movie developers. I hope that you did enjoy this video. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Much more content dropping very soon. iAppleTuber here, signing off.